If you've ever had a blood test, you may have noticed that there are many different types of blood cancers. These diseases can be hard to treat because they develop slowly and often go undetected until they're well advanced. Cancer in the blood-forming tissue of the body is called leukemia or lymphoma, from Greek lymph meaning liquid. The four main types of leukemia are acute lymphoblastic leukemia, ALL, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, CLL, myeloma, and acute myelogenous leukemia, AML. Leukemia is a type of cancer that starts in the blood-forming tissues of your body. It's one of the most common cancers, with about 30 million people diagnosed each year worldwide. Leukemia can begin in any part of the bone marrow, the spongy tissue inside your bones that makes new blood cells or other types of cells, needed by your body at different times during life, such as when you're growing. Leukemia can also start in other parts of your bone marrow, such as its lining, the endothelium, which lines all blood vessels throughout our bodies and helps create new ones when they break down due to injury or illness such as infection, caused by bacteria entering through open wounds like cuts on skin. There are many different types of leukemia. Each type has a different name and may be treated differently by your doctor. For example, some types of leukemia can be detected through regular blood tests while others require a bone marrow transplant or bone marrow aspiration, the process where doctors remove bone marrow from your body. If you have been diagnosed with cancer, it's important for you to talk with your doctor about treatment options because there is no one-size-fits-all approach to treating this disease. Acute lymphoblastic leukemia, or ALL, usually occurs in children and young adults. It is a cancer of the white blood cells, leukocytes, that causes abnormal growths known as lymphoma. Chronic lymphocytic leukemia, CLL, is a cancer that sometimes goes away on its own but sometimes progresses quickly to more advanced stages of cancer where treatment is more difficult. Myeloma is a cancer that begins in plasma cells in bone marrow. Plasma cells are a type of white blood cell that produces antibodies, which help the body fight off infections. Myeloma is a cancer that begins in plasma cells in bone marrow. There are many different kinds of blood cancers, and they can be treated, but they can be hard to beat. Blood cancer is a serious disease, and it can be difficult to find the right treatment. However, there are many things that you can do to help yourself feel better and live a happier life.